Right, so I made a few decisions on the scimitar. I'm actually going to do a full restoration on it. Yeah, I'm going to do a full restoration on it. What I'm going to do, the body's coming off the chassis. I found a few bits of rot on the chassis, so yeah, I just want to take it off and do it properly. I might try and get it galvanized once I finish welding the chassis, and yeah, it's going to be a lot of work, a lot more than I wanted, and I might even put it back into the original green colour that it was when it left the factory. Like as you can see here, someone's cut all the bulkhead away. I don't know if I showed you this last time, but it's a right botch job. So I'm going to take a mould of the other scimitar I have down the bottom in the other workshop, and I'll just refiberglass this so it's all original again. I've plenty of sheeting, fiberglass sheeting and stuff, so that's easy enough. So yeah, all I'm started doing is disconnecting the wiring from the chassis, all the earth wires. All the pipes are gone now from the front. I started stripping the interior, but that's just to make the body a bit lighter. So when we lift it off, I'll take all the windows out and doors off. After that, I'm going to disconnect the steering rack. And I think it's 18 bolts then, and the body can come off. Like it'll still be a bit of weight to it, so it'll probably take about 4 people to lift it off, unless we use the 2-post lift and stick it underneath, lift it off and just roll the chassis out. Yeah, so yeah, it's going to be lots of work to be done on it, so there'll be loads of videos coming up. I have to weld the chassis there because someone cut the engine mounts off for the shitting Peugeot. As you can see there, they've botched the fuck out of it there. They cut the welds where the original was, and they bolted this lump of metal on. Not a great job. I don't know who did it, but thanks for fucking my car up. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, as I said, she's going in green. I was going to do Raptor paint on it and do a nice, smooth, like a satin job, but nah, it's going 2-pack now. Like the original colours here, if you can see it. So if you can see that. It's not quite a British racing green, it's a bit more matte and a bit more yellow. I don't know what colour it is. I'll find out what colour it is from the Reliant Owners website. So bumpers are coming off as well, all the lights are coming off, everything's coming off, the whole kit and caboodle. So yeah, thanks. Yeah. Oh, child.